Here it is, folks. Here's a Glock 29. I done quite a bit of work on this gun. I done all the customizations myself, and I put in this lone wolf barrel. It's an extended barrel, and I done my own stippling, and came out pretty nice. I put the ultimate trigger stop as well in here, and I added that 3.5 connector, and I made a few adjustments to the trigger, and it feels pretty good. And gun's not loaded. There you go, it's not loaded. There's nothing in there. And then what else did I do? Here's magazine's loaded, but I'm not gonna load the chamber, alright? So don't be tripping out, guys. Look how that looks. I got the extended mag, but since it's proven to me that it fails more than anything with the extended mag, I don't bother with it anymore. And here it is. Here's a Glock 29. And this is my carry piece. I love carrying this gun. And it works great. Oh yeah, I added, I got a 21-pound recoil spring in here, and it turns out to be the best one. I have no failures of feet or anything like that, so it's actually, I've tested it and with a bunch of different ammo. Well, mainly the hot ones, because I want to use, I actually want to shoot the good stuff, you know. And I'm shooting a 10 millimeter. I think this was the old gold dot, bonded jacketed hollow point out of here. Them things are scooting at about 1,300 feet per second. And then I got these for plinking, kind of crazy, 1,400 feet per second. Good hunting loads too. These are 165 grain Underwoods as well. And these things will push out a pretty big fireball, if you know what I'm telling you when you shoot these things. Well, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to show you what the internals look like and what I've done to it. And hope you enjoy the video. I thought you guys might want to see it because this thing really turned out perfect, like a Glock should run with no failures. And this is what I've done to it. And I've shot all the hot stuff out of here. The only time it fails is with the extended mag. And that mag cost me more problems than anything, so I don't bother with it anymore. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Well, here it is, folks. Here's the ultimate trigger stop. It was really easy to put in. It's got a little adjustment right about there. See, you probably see that right in there. You can make your, let's see if I can get this in. There's a little hole right there. You can actually get this focused in. There we go. Yeah, and also done this. I added this 21-pound non-captive recoil spring. It's been the best one. I've had no problem shooting hot rounds, Underwood rounds out of this pistol. It's worked out real good. And you can order 3 sets of springs with this if you want, or 1 set. Or the original spring that came with this was a 21-pounder. And I ordered the other sets, 22, and I think it was 23-pounder. And those didn't really work out too good. The 21-pounder worked out the best, shooting Underwood between 1,300 feet per second and 1,600 feet per second. I didn't have any problems. No failures to feed. And I also got this This lone wolf barrel, it's extended. And I polished the feed ramp quite a bit. And just in case there were going to be any failures, I polished it up, made it nice and smooth, you know. And it worked out good. And then I done some stippling here. Look at this. I done stippling right here as well. And it looks pretty good. Look at that. It feels really good. All this was I done all this stippling on there. Yeah, look at that. Came out pretty good. I even done the under the trigger guard here. Yeah, see how that fits. Yeah, I done that to fit my fingers perfect. Yeah, look at that. Came out pretty nice. I've done this all myself. I think 3 years of watching YouTube, I learned quite a bit. And I didn't want to pay anybody to work on these guns, but I got this thing working right. I've had this gun for this Glock 29. I think I had it for about maybe 8 years already, and it still looks good. It's taking a little wear right here on the corner like they usually do. And I got the Trigon night sights. And I put the little Grim Reaper back there. Look at that. That looks pretty good, huh? I put that Ghost 3.5 connector in here as well. I polished all these, the trigger bar and all the internals here. I polished them all up. Also, I shaved that little bump off. The little bump that's on that trigger bar right there. I shaved it off and I polished it. And I think that made another big difference in trigger pull, and it's really nice now. I mean, it's not crazy light, but it's pretty nice. It's all right. I like it. But anyway, and this is what I carry. I found these to be the most comfortable ones. I've tried all kinds of holsters, but inside the waistband, you think the plastic would give you some problems, but man, I don't even know it's there sometimes. Worked out good for me.